Welcome to Witte Bros Exchange, the leader in nationwide frozen LTL. At Witte Bros, we're amazing people every day. Our terminal in Troy, Missouri is the heart of our operations and where we proudly call home. For many drivers, their career starts right here at our very own truck driving school. Our expert instructors are dedicated to providing top-notch training and safety education, shaping a new generation of skilled and responsible truck drivers. Our professional maintenance team ensures everything runs smoothly, dedicating their expertise to maintaining our fleet to the highest standards. We're dedicated to safety and have one of the top preventive maintenance programs in the industry. From temperature-controlled shipping to advanced cold storage, our skilled warehouse team ensures every product is handled securely and efficiently. They are responsible for locating, loading, unloading, and counting merchandise in our state-of-the-art warehouse. Witte Beef represents the pinnacle of quality, showcasing our commitment to excellence in beef production. We pride ourselves in our selective genetics program that consistently produces the prime-grade beef that is known as Witte Beef. Our driver support and operation teams are pivotal for ensuring timely and reliable deliveries, while providing support for our drivers. At Witte Bros Exchange, what sets us apart isn't just what we do, but how we do it. Our core values are the guiding force behind every decision and action. We do the right thing, always ensuring integrity and trust in our services. We own it, taking full responsibility for our actions and their impact. We drive improvement, constantly innovating and evolving to meet the changing needs of our industry. And most importantly, we win together, fostering a culture of teamwork and mutual success. And together, we are Witte Bros.